Hello students, now let us discuss physical properties of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, it is a what? It is a colorless and pale blue color liquid. It is miscible with water in all proportions, means it is going to soluble in water in whatever the amount you are taking. And simply we are writing what hydrated, means we have the water molecule H2 hydrogen peroxide with the water H2O. Here we have the a 30% solution of hydrogen peroxide is marketed as 100 volume. Simply we have 100 V hydrogen peroxide. It means that 1 millimole of 30% hydrogen peroxide solution will give 100 milliliters of oxygen at STP. What is the meaning of here? Means if you go for the market, what happen? Market means here we have 30% of hydrogen peroxide, or simply we are writing as about 100 V. Means here if you take the 1 milliliter of hydrogen peroxide, from that how much amount of oxygen you are going to get? From that you are going to get the here 100 ml of oxygen at STP. The meaning of this one. Okay. Commercially marketed sample is 10V. Here already told 10V means what? Here means that sample contain 3% of H2O2. Okay, what is the exact meaning of these two? I will go for the next with the problem. So to understand previous 2 points, here let us see, here we have an important note. Here 10 volume 10V solution of hydrogen peroxide means 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide solution will give 10 liters of oxygen at STP. Okay. Here 15V means 15V means what? Here again 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide gives 15 liter of oxygen STP. Means always you are taking the what? 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide only. Okay. Here whatever the here we have number, that much of volume of oxygen going to liberate. Here 10 volume means 10 liters. Here 15 volume means 15 liters. Okay. So here if you take the hydrogen peroxide in liters, means the liberated oxygen should be liters. If it is taken in milliliters, the liberated oxygen should be in the milliliters. Okay. Here we took the 1 liter, means here 15 liters oxygen going to be liberated. Now let us discuss in text question here, problem number 8.4. So calculate the strength of 10 volume solution of hydrogen peroxide. What is strength? Strength means here in given amount of solvent or solution, how much amount of solute is present. That is called what? Strength of solution. Here data given what? We have the 10V. Already we come to know 10V means what? 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide gives 10 liter of oxygen at STP as per our previous knowledge. Now if you go for the equation here, hydrogen peroxide, if undergo decomposition, it will give oxygen plus H2O. So here according to stoichiometry, here strength of solution, what I told, how much amount of present in the given amount of solution. Okay, that is what you have to tell in terms of weight. Now here if you go for the according to stoichiometry, here 68 grams, nothing but here we have molar mass of hydrogen peroxide is 34 grams. In equation we have coefficient 2, number of moles 2, means we have 2 into 34 means 68 grams. Means 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide gives 22.7 liters of oxygen at STP. Why? Because means 1 mole. 1 mole means always we told we will take how much? Default 22.7 liters. This already we discussed in case of stoichiometry. Okay. So according to stoichiometric equation here, 22.7 liter of oxygen can be produced from the what? 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide. But how much we need here? 10 volume. So 10 volume, for 10 production of 10 volume, how much of hydrogen peroxide we need? So if you go for the cross multiplication here, 68 grams into 10 liters divided with the 22.7 liters. So 7 liters here, little are going to get cancelled. You left with the some grams units. Okay. So if you go for simplification, we have 29.96 grams. As you can go for the how much? Simply 30 grams of hydrogen peroxide. Means if you want to produce 10 liters of oxygen, means here how much we need? Here 30 grams of hydrogen peroxide we need. Okay, in terms of weight. If you want 22.7 liters means how much we need? 68 grams. Now, strength of solution of 10V value means you are telling the what? How much amount is present means here you are taking the what? 30 grams per liter. Okay. Here we have 30 grams present in the per liter. Or you can write the 3%. How means here weight by volume. Okay. Weight by volume means what you are telling here. Weight by volume means what? How much is present in the volume. Here already we told volume we are taking the always in the 100. Okay. 100 ml. In the solution also we are telling always we are taking the 100 ml. So if I want to tell in the weight by volume percentage means here what we have. So from this here 1 liter contain how much? 30 grams, or 1 liter means if I convert into ml means, as you know very well, 1 liter equal to how much? 1000 ml. So 1000 ml contain 30 grams means if I want to tell in the 100 ml means how much you are going to get now. So how much means if you go for simplification how much you are getting? 3%. Okay, means 3% weight by volume means 3 grams present in the 100 ml. Okay. Now means just now 10 value means the strength how much here? 3%. Now you understand the previous sentence. Now you can understand the previous sentence, that is here this is the commercially marketed 10 value means what? The sample contain 3% of H2O2. Is it clear now? The same problem you can do for another method. Here the formula for the strength of solution is what? Molarity into molar mass. Okay. Molar mass of hydrogen peroxide, as you know very well, 34. Okay, 34 grams per mole. How it is means already we came to know how to calculate the molar mass. Hydrogen peroxide means here H2O2 is there. O2 molar mass how much we have? 32. Okay, 2 hydrogens are there means 1 hydrogen 1. Okay, 2 hydrogen 2. So total how much we have? 34. Here already we discussed units what? Gram per mole. So molar mass of hydrogen peroxide 34 gram per mole. Now we have to calculate the what? Molarity. Molarity formula what we have? Molarity equal to number of moles by volume in liters. Now number of moles how you are going to calculate? We have the formula mass by molar mass. Mass already we calculated 29.96. Molar mass of hydrogen peroxide already we know, that is what? 34 gram per mole. So this is a gram. This is a gram per mole here. So what happened? Gram going to get cancelled. You left with the what? Mole. So how much we have moles? 0.88 moles. Now volume of the solution hydrogen peroxide always we are taking how much? 1 liter. Now if you substitute here number of moles 0.88 moles and 1 liter. So finally getting the molarity how much? 0.88 moles. Now calculate strength of solution here. Formula. So already we get the molarity 0.88 moles per liter. Molar mass already we know. So if you go for the cancel the mole, so what we left in is gram per mole. Okay. So here 29.96 or 30 grams present in the 1 liter of solution. This is the strength of solution. Simply strength of solution means in 1 liter solution how much amount is present. That is called by strength of solution. So another in the backside in-text question we have, sorry, it is not in-text question. We have backside textbook question number 33 here. Hydrogen peroxide strength can be expressed in terms of molarity and normality. Let us see here. 15 volume of solution means what? Already we came to know 1 liter of H2O2 will give 15 liters of oxygen STP. Okay. According to stoichiometry, what happened here? 68 grams will give 22.4 liters of oxygen. Here you can use it 22.7 or 22.4, both are accepted. Okay, some books we have 22.4 and some books we have 22.7. So how much here we have value? 15 liters. 15 liters of oxygen how much we need means, if you go for the cross multiplication here, so liter of oxygen, liters of oxygen going to get cancelled. We left it with the how much here? 45.53 grams of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, here we have the strength already we came to know here. So here 45.5 grams present in the 1 liter. Okay, so if I want in the 100 ml means how much here? So strength of 15 volume of hydrogen peroxide means here 1 liter present in the how much? 1 liter, but 1000 ml contain 45.53 grams of hydrogen peroxide. As we told, if you want in the weight by volume percentage. Okay, volume means we are every time taking the 100 ml. So 100 ml means how much? Means here if you go for the cross multiplication, so here you can go for simplification. How much we have? 4.5 percentage of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, this is the strength of solution. Fine. But here what is the question? They ask molarity and normality of 15 volume of hydrogen peroxide. Now let us calculate the molarity of normality. Okay. So molarity, what we have formula? N by V, volume in liters. So now calculate the number of moles here. Mass already we have. How much we got here? 45.53 grams. Okay. Molar mass of hydrogen peroxide 34 grams per mole. So if you go for the simplification, what happened? Gram going to get cancelled. So you left with the what here? Number of moles, that is 1.33. Now volume, how much? We are taking the 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide. Now if you substitute here, N is 1.33, volume is 1 liter. So this is a molarity, how much? 1.33. Now normality, here we have to calculate normality. What is the formula? We have weight by gram equivalent weight into here 1 by V. Okay, nothing but we have number of gram equivalent weight, what? V in liters. Okay, number of gram equivalent means what here? So actual normality, what we have formula? Number of gram equivalent weight divided with the volume in liters. But as you know very well, number of gram equivalent weight means something but what? Weight by gram equivalent weight. Okay. So here what is the V left with the 1 by V volume liters. Okay, this way. Okay. So now here if you see gram equivalent weight of hydrogen peroxide, how you are going to calculate? Molecular mass divided with the what? Basicity. Okay, hydrogen peroxide you have to take the basicity. Why? Because H2O2 is going to replace the 2 hydrogen atoms. So how much you are getting? Gram equivalent weight of hydrogen peroxide 17. So here we have the weight is already we have 45.53, gram equivalent weight how much? 17, and here volume how much we have? 1 liter. Okay, why? Because means we are taking the 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide. If you go for the normality, how you are going to get? How much you are going to get? Simply, if you go for the simplification, 2.678 normality. Here we have another relation like normality equal to we have relation molarity into Z valency also there. Okay. Once you know the molarity, you can calculate. Here molarity how much we have? 1.33. Okay. Here Z nothing but valency. Here nothing but here hydrogen peroxide we are taking the basicity. How much here? 2. So if you go simplification, we are going to get the 2.6 is like that. You can calculate the normality directly if you know the molarity.